What more can I ask for? Really? Hello YouTube, welcome to another of my crazy hiking adventure. Well, crazy in a good way. Lovely, beautiful. Yeah, hiking to the English countryside as usual. Someone asked me why I like hiking. I mean, it's good for your mental and physical health. You know, it's nice, help you to be creative. So yeah, beautiful. Should go out whenever you can. Go for a long walk if it is possible. If the environment is there for you to do it, then by all means. Lovely sunny day. The river is over at the side over there. Can't get to it from here, so in another few minutes I should get there. Enjoy the video. Very beautiful day. Another video from beautiful riversides. It's River Thames, Pangbourne area. Fish there. I don't know, there's lots of them swimming around in the river. Oh, there's a boat coming there, you can see. Anyway, they might not want to be on my video, so I'm gonna stop it. This little spot here looks like a lovely place for me to cook. I can put my tent right on the side here. And yeah, right there, but it's probably a bit too busy around here actually. People walking not too far over there. Every now and then I can see someone walking past. So if I'm gonna be cooking here, then maybe it's late in the evening when I'm on my way back. Someone put a swing in a tree. I guess they just swing across the river. As I said, it's the River Thames, like you probably never seen it before. Not the busy side of the River Thames, not the London side of the River Thames. Lovely quiet side. So I think I'm gonna stop down here, have a rest. Yeah, later in the evening I'll go across there. Lovely. Pangbourne. One minute it's sunny, and well, actually it's not 1 minute because it was hours ago it was sunny, but yeah, it seems as if it's going to rain. Drizzling. I won't be doing this. Nice area to camp out in the night, but not to cook, because I mean you're going to mess up the place like that. There's no way you're going to leave without the evidence that he was there. You don't want that. Nah. This is like a nice little beach at the side of the river. Yeah, that's beach for me. Nice little place, I must say. Beautiful. Anyway, just behind this bush I saw the spot that I'm going to go and cook my meal. So yes, viewers, all up and ready for the cooking. Water side, everything up and ready. As you see on my table, some cabbage, some seafood, butter bean, sweet pepper, onion, carrot, little bit of butter, and the other rest of the ingredients. I haven't put it out on the table as yet. But yeah, the meal today would be some vegetable and seafood mix, and I'm gonna have it with some nice dumpling, some nice boiled dumpling. Put my little oil in the frying pan. My onion. Sweet pepper. Don't want it to burn. little bit of thyme. Some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put more all-purpose seasoning. I'm putting a little bit of curry, and this is just to change the color of the cabbage. So it won't be much. I want it to look nice and yellow without being too strong. That's the seafood. Yeah, seafood sticks, I think they call it. It's lovely. I've done it once and it's really, really nice. Little bit of black pepper. Just gonna put a little bit more oil, but I don't want it to be too greasy, so I'm not gonna put a lot. Yeah. This is some butter beans. See, I always take the things from the tin. I don't have all the time to wait if I cook it from scratch. And also, I bring it in the bag because I don't want to have the tin. That's too much weight. Now that's my cabbage. Now I'll add a bit more of the all-purpose seasoning. I don't put salt, so I put enough all-purpose seasoning to taste. A bit more tomato. And a little bit of butter. And leave it about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Don't want it to burn, so the cabbage will burn if I'm not careful. Now I'm adding the dumplings. And no, I won't be eating all that. I will be taking some home. I don't want my cabbage to be saggy. You know, like when it's dry and crispy like, you know. See those seafood sticks made from crab meat? Lovely. Very tasty. Another beautiful day. Pangbourne is a very nice area. Beautiful and quiet. That's the setup. Late evening now. As you know, I've been walking all morning. Where I wanted to stop at that first area that at the riverside, I said I would like to cook. I wasn't able to do it there. When I was back, there was some guys there fishing, so I had to go a bit further, and this is what I found. But it's still beautiful. I love it. Don't want the cabbage to burn, so I removed the pot with the cabbage off the fire. All ready now. Now we're gonna have nice dumplings. That one is a bit big. I have 4. So here it is, viewers. At the side of the river, having a lovely meal. Cabbage and seafood, crab meat. So it's a lovely plate of food. I know you all would like to taste it. It's impossible. Just get your eyes full. What more can I ask for? Really? Really, what more can I ask for? A lovely walk. Now I'm having my meal. The ducks swimming in the river, boats passing. It's a lovely day. So yes, my viewers, the end of another lovely day. A long walk, nice food, beautiful scenery. Hope you all enjoy the video. That's the site where I cook my food, and as you can see, all nice and clean. So as I always say, LNT, leave no trace. Nice clean work. That's it. I'll be taking some more videos and photos on my way home. I think probably this is the latest I do videos. I normally try to get it earlier in the day, but it was a long walk today and I need a rest. By the time I get home it will be night, but it's all good. Enjoy. You know, earlier when it started drizzle, I was looking for my top. I was hoping I have it in my bag. You know, because it start getting chilly. But sure, I have it. Yep. Don't know what I would have done without it, because my hands are wet now and I would start getting cold.